Hi kids, welcome to your own channel School at Home 2121 where you learn something new every day. So today we are going to learn some very interesting facts about different birds. But before we start this video, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it for more such videos. So let's get started. What is this? This is owl. Owl is a nocturnal bird. Owls are highly intelligent. Next in the queue is, this is parrot. Parrots are very smart and can imitate sounds. Not all parrots can fly. I never knew this. Next in the queue is Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a migratory bird. Look at the bird. So colorful it is. Kingfisher is carnivorous. Its diet is based on fish, crayfish, frogs and snails. Next is robin. Robin is a popular bird in North America and Europe. The male robin sings the most beautiful tune. Wow! Next in the queue is woodpecker. Woodpeckers have super long tongues and they like to make music as well. They are made to cling on trees. They are perfectionists. Wow! Yes, we all know it. It is crow. Crows are extremely intelligent birds. They are as smart as 7-year-old human. They have an excellent memory. Amazing, guys. Next in the queue is hornbill. The hornbill keep their chicks together. The hornbill helps the monkey stay peaceful as these birds eat the insects that annoy them. Next in the queue is, yes, our very own sparrow. Sparrows are very social and like to live close to human settlements. Sparrows can swim fast to escape their predators. Next is toucan. Look at the beak, guys. Yellow in color, so big. And the average lifespan of a toucan is 20 years. Wow, that's great. The Toco toucan is the largest toucan of all the species. Next in the queue is, yes, you all know it. It is pigeon. Pigeons are complex and intelligent birds. They are highly sociable birds. Next is goose. Goose has the capability to control each of his eyes independently. Wow! A goose can sleep with one eye open and shut down one half of his brain while sleeping. Amazing! That's really great. This is, yes, this is hen. They have strong color vision. They dream when they sleep. Wow! This is duck. But don't get confused with goose. Ducks and goose are two different birds. Ducks have excellent vision. Ducklings grow up really fast. Next in the queue is ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostrich doesn't have teeth and it can survive for 2 weeks without water. Amazing! Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel School at Home 2121. Take care. Bye-bye.